Cheryl Traxler coming to you from Alaska, enjoying my gorgeous view with the mountain here on the back of my deck and the gorgeous trees surrounding me here. It is beautiful. Super Bowl Sunday, actually. I know you guys are excited about that, but I want to talk to you about how you can make 100K with our proven letter with Impact Mailing Club. I'm going to give you a reason why direct mail marketing is booming and what you have to do to get involved. And I'm excited for you and happy to be able to share this info to you, because our 100K marketing letter, cover letter that you use, is what you send to people. And the reason it's booming is because anybody can mail a letter, and our letter does everything for you: the selling, the telling, the branding, the information that you need on it, the connection to you, all of that our letter is. This cover letter that we offer is a special custom cover letter for our team that puts you in the driver's seat for making an incredibly good income. People, of course, are making over 100K with this team, and everybody's growing and doing well, and we have incredible support, and that is important. You have to have good support, proven methods that we're using as a team, and I really love that. I'm actually part of 2 teams. The actual company also has training every Sunday, orientation that helps all your new people. You don't have to do it. It's really outstanding and a wonderful business for 2020. And I wanted to tell you about it and how important it is that you connect with a team. And I'm excited to share that we have such a team, and I'm just really pumped for you, for your ability to earn good income in 2020 with our cover letter. And the cover letter is the first thing your prospect sees when they receive this letter in the mail, is your cover letter. So it's important. Certain things are on your cover letter. You know, the contact information and the education of what it is you're offering them, so they can see that they can do it, that'll work for them. And that's really important, that they can do it, and you can show them all that with this letter. That's the cool thing. And then with the letter, of course, you're going to have your order form so they can get involved. And we are just really excited about what we have to offer everybody. It's not your generic, it is custom, and it is incredibly successful. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about that. I hope you have a wonderful day today, but I just wanted to give you that information about our cover letter and how well it's doing and how it's going to work for you and how we help you with it. We do make it custom for you with your information on it, the exact correct right thing to connect with people, and we offer that for you. And I just wanted to tell you about that. This is one aspect of direct mail marketing that is incredible, because anybody can mail letters, and we have a company that gives us verified addresses, so they are delivered, which is very important. And the cover letter is the first thing they see, and it has to be what's working. And we have a proven cover letter that making people 100K and over in a year. So you definitely want to be part of that. It is an exciting adventure for you, and we are a close-knit team. We help each other. We do all kinds of cool things, and we also do extra things. Once you've done your mailing, what can you do while you're waiting? You know, and so we have everything here for you to do well in your direct mail marketing. If you've never done well, or if you've never done it, this is awesome. And I just wanted to let you know this. Also, I am a grandmother. I have 7 grandkids, and this is why I'm an entrepreneur. I have the freedom. In fact, next month I will be going to Florida. So quite a big change from here. I love the winter. I love the coziness because I get to work from home. I get to enjoy all of this, and nobody has any designs on my time, and it is amazing. Florida will be a wonderful, so you definitely want to subscribe and stay tuned, because I will be in Florida in a month. I will be flying to Florida for some fun times, so that's always fun. So my grandkids are my big amazing reason why, and my kids, family. And I also want to give you a recap of what we just went over so you can get that lineup of exactly why the cover letter is important. And just wanted to, I'm gonna go inside to do that though, but I just had to show you this gorgeous view of mine here on the island in Alaska. Ah, such fresh air, so wonderful to be outside, and that's kind of my thing too. I love photography, I love the outdoors, so you know, I just love being able to do it, being able to get out when I want to, and it's really why I do this, of course, and I just wanted to share that with you. So you want to stay tuned for the recap so you can hear why the cover letter is so important and why we have a 100K cover letter. Why is that? So stay tuned. We're going to recap so you can get all the information you need yourself. So thanks. Stay tuned. I also wanted to do a recap so you knew exactly what I'm talking about. Just kind of do a quick little recap so you know the important points. And the first thing is, of course, your cover letter needs to pop. It needs to, because the first thing the people receiving the mail, the first thing they see is your cover letter. And it actually does the selling for you, which is awesome, because it has the information on there they need to get started. That's important. It connects it to you. And that's important. And the information on it, the online, offline information on it is important as well. So they can connect. They know what they need to do to get started, and they're ready to go. And that is so vital to have that on your cover letter. And another thing that's very important, you need to focus and be consistent. You know, don't just throw out a few and then say, well, I haven't heard anything, so I'm got to be consistent. Everybody that's very successful in direct mail marketing is consistent, and they focus. And they listen to those that are bringing in 100K in a year because they want to do the same thing. So you're really important that you understand that as well with your cover letter, with what you're doing, with your daily work. Our team specializes in making you a cover letter. So that's done. And you want that because it is incredible to have a great cover letter because it makes what you're doing work. So we have the support, of course, in place, as we have an incredible team that are experts, and we help you get started, and we help you with your letter, and we help you have the right things in place, doing the right steps. You know, we tell you what you should do and what you shouldn't do, so you don't make mistakes, and that is really important. And so I'm just happy to be able to share this with you. Happy to be able to kind of just line up why your cover letter is so important, why you need a really good team that is doing this, that is bringing in the right kind of money because of the cover letter. Because that's what the first thing your people will see when they open their mail up is the cover letter, and it does the selling. And who doesn't like that? I mean, I don't want to do the selling. Do you? So that is another reason direct mail is booming, because this is how it works. You don't do any selling, and it's simple to mail letters. It's an incredible opportunity for 2020.